Pack opening, day 145. Base cards.
Christmas in Harlem, right after autumn
First Bowman cards.
soaking it all in. Then we gon' hit the mall.
Camilo
even though
Diaz.
we ain't ballin'.
Furon
We
Lorenzo.
bought it all. The mistletoe's
Ty
right
Pete.
there. Come give a kiss to
Jondre Vargas.
Chris is the owl and all a good night.
Kyle Teal.
Now we all living the good life. Yeah,
Connor
though it's
Foley.
40 below the wind chill. And we wipe
Christian
the snow
Moore
off the
insert.
windshield. It's still wonderful night to
Jared
be alive,
Serna
baby.
refractor.
And I'm so happy I'm with
Josh
my baby.
Kurodegrauer
And we
refractor.
a little late with the Christmas gifts,
Connor
rushing for
Griffin
the mall.
numbered.
On trip, you know I drive crazy.
Ryan
Streets lit up,
Campos
it feel like
auto.
Christmas officially. Told her
Total
that you the star
value,
at the top of my Christmas tree. My only question is,
$128.29.